All right, so I ordered 2 of the blind box comic books from the recent Kith Marvel vs. Capcom collab. So they're either gonna be the standard comic book or they're gonna be a PSA graded slab special edition. So I figured I'd just do an opening so that we can get the reaction together in real time. And hopefully your boy gets a slizzab, but we're about to find out.
Okay, let's see what we got. Moment of truth. They really would put motherfucking comic books in here, which is crazy. This comic book, right? I just really don't want to mess up. Hold on. Alright.
Got going on in here. Oh shit. Time out. Bitch, time out. Time out. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. First one's a hit. I got the Ryu versus the Wolverine 9.8 PSA graded. This shit is crazy. Kith collaboration. Oh man, I'm excited as hell. Y'all seeing this in real time. Wow. Yeah. This is crazy because honestly, Marvel vs. Capcom, I grew up on this, so favorite video game of all time. I got a hit on the first one. I don't know, this second one looked kind of heavy too, bitch. This shit looking kind of heavy too.
Yeah, so let's find out. We got a special edition. Alright. Number 2. Bitch, number 2.
Not a 2 for 2. Not a 2 for 2. This is a blue version. I don't even know which one this is. Number 1. Okay, September 2025, Marvel Kith, Wolverine and Rarity. Green variant cover and the blue variant cover. I don't know which is the most rare. I know he talked about it on the IG. I'm gonna have to go back and check, but these are 2 different variants in their PSA slabs. So, fire. Got the reaction video in real time. 9.8 and a 9.6, I'll take it. Yeah.